The family court makes decisions about the day-to-day care of and/or contact with children. There are 3 separate tracks for entering the family court: the without notice or urgent track, simple track, and standard track. Any situation involving domestic violence or your child being abducted will be dealt with urgency. This is known as the without notice track. If you think you are in danger, you need to call the police. They will tell you what you need to do. The simple track is when you and your ex-partner agree on care and/or contact arrangements, or on guardianship matters, and you're simply asking the court to formalise it. All you need to do is send the court your parenting plan and complete a couple of forms for the judge to consider. The judge may choose to meet with you and your ex-partner when looking at your application. Generally, in the simple track, you don't need a lawyer. If you are required to go to court, you'll be representing yourself in court, unless the judge tells you otherwise. The third track is the standard track, and is where you haven't been able to reach agreement, or your partner chose not to participate in any of the key stages, like parenting through separation or family dispute resolution. Sometimes this happens. While parents generally want what's best for their children, they sometimes disagree on what this actually is and need the court to make decisions for them. This can include a number of steps, so take a look at our website to see what is involved. Here the judge may make directions they think are necessary for progressing your case, including whether or not you need to have a lawyer for the case. If you are representing yourself in court, we have information and tools available to help you understand how the court process works, what it means, and what you should do. Now, one thing you need to know is that in most instances, you can't just go to court. You need to have attempted to reach agreement by attending a parenting through separation session and attended family dispute resolution mediation if appropriate. There are situations where trying to reach agreement with the other person isn't appropriate, for example, where it's not safe. Obviously, in this situation, you wouldn't be expected to attend these programs. Instead, you'll be put on the without notice track, where your situation will be dealt with without delay. All of the information you need to know about the court process and the tools to help you through the process can be found on our website.